We welcome all of you to our YouTube channel College Diary. In our series of state quota cutoff, all India quota cutoff of the medical colleges of India, today we will talk about the medical colleges in Karnataka. First, we will see the state quota cutoff of the government medical colleges of Karnataka, and then moving forward, we will see the state quota cutoff of the government seat of the private medical colleges of Karnataka. Then at the end, we will see the cutoff of the private medical colleges where the fees will be around 7 to 8 lakh. We will also talk about the open seats, and in this video, we will go in details of the categories, like we will talk about GMK, OBC, GM and everything. So let's start with our video. Before talking about colleges, let me describe the categories to you. First, the GMK is General Merit Karnataka domicile, OBC is OBC of the Karnataka domicile, STK is the Scheduled Caste students of Karnataka, STK are the Scheduled Tribe students of Karnataka, and the last category is General Merit. Students under Clause E, Clause F and etc. comes under these categories. So let's start with our first government medical college, and that is Bangalore Medical College, Bangalore, one of the best Indian college and one of the best medical college of Karnataka. So the cutoff for GMK will be around 602, for OBC 557, STK students have to score 470, STK 498, and the general merit cutoff will be around 645. The second government medical college will be Mysore Medical College, Mysore, one of the best cities of India and one of the cleanest cities of India, and the cutoff for this medical college will be around 570 for GMK, 556 for OBC, STK student have to score 471, STK student have to score 524, and the general merit students have to score 613. So the cutoff of the third government medical college will be around 500 for GMK, 460 for OBC, STK student have to score 400, STK it will be around 472, and for general merit it will be around 573. So now let's talk about the fourth government medical college, that is Mandya Institute of Medical Science, Mandya. For GMK student the cutoff will be around 511, OBC 509, STK 430, STK student have to score 520, and general merit student have to score 570 numbers. For Hassan Institute of Medical Sciences, Hassan, GMK student have to score around 510, OBC student scoring around 485 will get a seat in this college, SCK 420, STK 496, and for general merit the cutoff will be around 553. For Karnataka Institute of Medical Science, Hubli, one of the best medical college of Karnataka, and it's a beautiful college, the cutoff for GMK will be around 572, OBC 537, SCK student have to score 470, STK 522, and general merit 591. So let's move forward and talk about the seventh government medical college of Karnataka, that is the Kadagu Institute of Medical Science, Madikeri. For GMK the cutoff will be around 489, and that will be around the lowest cutoff for Karnataka state domicile. For OBC 451, SCK 387, STK 466, and for general merit student you have to score 523 to get a seat in this college. For Belgaum Institute of Medical Science, Belgaum, it's a beautiful city and this is one of the best medical college of Karnataka. It's a beautiful college, proper facilities. The cutoff will be around 536 for GMK, OBC student have to score 495, SCK student have to score 440, STK 497, and general merit student have to score 554 to study in this beautiful college. The ninth government medical college of our list is Vijayanagar Institute of Medical Science, Bellary. For GMK the cutoff will be around 538, OBC 478, SCK 449, and STK student have to score 513, and general merit student have to score around 574 to study in Bellary. So now let's talk about the 10th government medical college of our list, that is Karwar Institute of Medical Science, situated in Uttar Kannada region. For GMK the cutoff will be around 490, and once again this will be one of the lowest cutoff for GMK categories in government medical college. OBC 452, SCK 381, STK 465, and for general merit student 513. So now let's talk about another good medical college, that is Bidar Institute of Medical Science, Bidar. For GMK you have to score 510, for OBC 498, SCK student have to score 425, STK student have to score 498, and for general merit the cutoff will be around 542. Now the next college is Raichur Institute of Medical Science, Raichur. For GMK 505, OBC 485, SCK and STK student have to score 401 and 481 respectively, and for general merit student the cutoff will be around 535. The next medical college in our list is Shimoga Institute of Medical Science, Shimoga. For GMK the cutoff will be around 524, for OBC the cutoff will be around 476, for SCK and STK 408 and 503 respectively, and for the category GM, means general merit, the student have to score 560. So now let's talk about two of the ESI medical colleges situated in Bangalore and Gulbarga respectively. So to study in the ESI Medical College, Bangalore, a student from GMK category have to score 508, for OBC 492, SCK 393, STK 468, and for general merit student the cutoff will be around 550. To study in Gulbarga, you have to score 498 for GMK category, for OBC 488, SCK 410, STK 476, and for general merit student the cutoff will be around 515 students. Now let's talk about Gulbarga Institute of Medical Science Gulbarga. For GMK the cutoff will be around 515, for OBC 501, SCK 437, STK 474, and for general merit student you have to score 554 to get a seat in this college. Now let's talk about Koppal Institute of Medical Science Koppal. For GMK the cutoff will be around 487, for OBC it will be around 477, for SCK it will be around 402, STK 483, and general merit student 512. Now the 18th government medical college is the Gadag Institute of Medical Science Gadag. For GMK the cutoff will be around 500, for OBC it will be 476, SCK, STK will be around 402 and 476 respectively, and for general merit student you have to score 513. Now let's talk about the 19th government medical college of our list, and that will be the last government medical college of Karnataka, and here the categories cutoff will be around 486 for GMK, for OBC it will be around 470, for SCK 370, STK student have to score 477, and general merit student have to score 523 to get a seat in this college. Now as we promised at the start of the video that we will talk about private medical colleges also, so here we are. I want to notify here that a separate video will describe the private colleges respectively and their categories cutoff. Here we will just talk about the minimum marks. So for government quota seats in private colleges, the GMK student have to score 457, for OBC 443, SCK student have to score 358 minimum to get a government seat in private medical college, and STK student have to score 442 under the government quota seats in private colleges. So now let's talk about the private quota seats of the private medical colleges, where the fees will be around 7 to 8 lakhs for the Karnataka domicile student, and under GMP category the cutoff will be around 415 for those students. So moving forward, let's talk about the minimum marks required for a seat in a government medical college in NEET 2020. Under GMK category, the minimum number required will be around 486, OBC 451, for SCK student it will be around 370, for STK it will be 465, and for general merit student you have to score 512 to get a government seat in Karnataka in NEET 2020. For those students whose categories are not included in this video, we have provided the link of the result of round 2 and mop-up round for Karnataka MBBS 2019. Go there, download those results and compare. So as you can see, we have worked a lot for this video, so a like will be very much appreciated. If you have any worry, comment down. We will try to answer it as fast as we can. Please subscribe our channel to watch more videos like this and click the notification bell to get notified for our future videos. Thank you. Jai Hind.